Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Selenium Deficiency Symptoms in Chickens and Using Selenium Testing with Python and Selenium WebDriver. Introduction. Selenium is an essential trace mineral for the health and well-being of chickens. It plays a crucial role in various physiological processes, including antioxidant defense, immune system function, and thyroid hormone metabolism. Selenium deficiency in chickens can lead to a range of health issues, affecting their growth, reproduction, and overall vitality. In this tutorial, we will explore the symptoms of selenium deficiency in chickens and demonstrate how to use Python and Selenium WebDriver to automate the process of checking for symptoms on a hypothetical chicken health monitoring website. Requirements. Symptoms of selenium deficiency in chickens. Delayed growth. Selenium deficiency can lead to slower growth rates in chickens. Muscle weakness. Chickens may exhibit weakness in their muscles, leading to difficulties in movement. Reproductive issues. Selenium is vital for the proper functioning of the reproductive system. Deficient chickens may experience fertility problems or have difficulty hatching eggs. Immune system suppression. Selenium deficiency can compromise the immune system, making chickens more susceptible to infections and diseases. White muscle disease, a condition characterized by pale, chalky white muscles due to selenium deficiency. Code example: Selenium testing for chicken health monitoring website.